Question number 1. Which is the largest national park in India? The correct answer is option C, Hemis National Park. Question number 2. Which is the largest public sector bank in India? The correct answer is option D, State Bank of India. Question number 3. Who is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? The correct answer is option A, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 4. Which article deals with the declaration of emergency? The correct answer is option A, Article 352. Question number 5. Who was the first female president of India? The correct answer is option C, Pratibha Patil. Question number 6. Which Indian city is known as the cultural capital of India? The correct answer is option B, Kolkata. Question number 7. Who composed Sare Jahan Se Acha? The correct answer is option D, Muhammad Allama Iqbal. Question number 8. What is the traditional dress of a male in Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is option B, Besti. Question number 9. Which musical instrument is Ustad Bismillah Khan associated with? The correct answer is option A, Shehnai. Question number 10. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? The correct answer is option D, vitamin K. Question number 11. What is the process by which plants make food? The correct answer is option A, photosynthesis. Question number 12. Which desert is the largest cold desert in the world? The correct answer is option D, Antarctica desert. Question number 13. What is the pH value of pure water? The correct answer is option B, 7. Question number 14. Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? The correct answer is option B, Finland. Question number 15. Which movement is associated with do or die? The correct answer is option C, Quit India movement. Question number 16. Who was the founder of the Indian National Army? The correct answer is option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 17. Which freedom fighter is known as Punjab Keshari? The correct answer is option D, Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 18. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? The correct answer is option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 19. Which is the tallest tree in the world? The correct answer is option A, coastal redwood. Question number 20. How many bones are there in the adult human body? The correct answer is option C, 206. Question number 21. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? The correct answer is option B, camel. Question number 22. Who is known as the king of Bollywood? The correct answer is option A, Shah Rukh Khan. Question number 23. Which continent has the highest number of countries? The correct answer is option C, Africa. Question number 24. Which is the national song of India? The correct answer is option C, Vande Mataram. Question number 25. Which Indian mission reached the moon's South Pole in 2023? The correct answer is option D, Chandrayaan-3. Question number 26. Who won the 2023 Nobel Peace Prize? The correct answer is option A, Nargis Muhammad Ali. Question number 27. What is the full form of CPU? The correct answer is option B, Central Processing Unit. Question number 28. Which Indian author wrote God of Small Things? The correct answer is option A, Arundhati Roy. Question number 29. What is the minimum age for voting in India? The correct answer is option B, 18 years. Question number 30. What is the sum of angles in a triangle? The correct answer is option A, 180 degrees.